got most of the windows open. Some of them don't open. Nice. We don't have air conditioning. Get what you pay for. Go with real Transdev. They've had this problem so badly with MTA. It's also getting crowded because the 49 didn't show up before us. So that happens a lot. Bus 1727. Now down 83. Just move it to cool off a little bit. So nice that Mangana won't do ride it. Oh, looks like we got ourselves another malfunctioning traffic light. It's staying green for a little bit, and then it's turning red. So we'll see what happens here. Oh, it's the 49. Here's the 49. Yeah, driving the shoulder, that's what you gotta do sometimes. See? And then we gotta stop again. Something wrong with this light. Ridiculous. People should just run it. It's broken.
600 or www.nicebus.com.
La información de horarios y tarifas está disponible en el 516-336-6600 o en www.nicebus.com.